So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make birria, how I make my birria. There's many ways to make birria. The one who makes the best birria for me is my woman's mom, my suegra. But right now she's in Mexico, so we gotta do with what we got, all right? So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my birria. And it's not even that hard, all right? I don't know. It's not hard the way I make it. It's easy. How to make birria the easy way. So first you get some chamorros, like these guys right here. Some chamorros. See this? A chamorro de res. Right there at the four-way meat market. Oxnard. That's where I get my stuff. Nice and fresh. Alright? And this right here, it's all you're gonna need right here. It's Chef Merito Birria. It's got everything. It's got all the spices. It's got everything you need. And I'm gonna use some bay leaves to give it some extra flavor. I'm gonna use 21 ounces of water so it could be nice and juicy. And give it some more flavor. These guys right here. Garlic. Gotta have some garlic. Alright, so bay leaves, garlic, birria. This right here, Chef Merito. He knows what's up right there. Some water, 21 ounces. Some chamorros. Alright, there it is, chamorros. So here we go. Super easy. Okay? That's how easy it is. Okay, first you clean your crock pot. You're gonna need a crock pot. Clean it all up. Plug it in. Put it on high. Let it warm up for a little bit. Alright, or not. Doesn't really matter. And you put your guys in there. Boom. Put your shanks in there. Your chamorros. That's some quesadilla tacos for the evening. Alright. And you put your chamorros in there. It's like that. Then you're gonna want to do is put the water in there. Yeah, there it is. Make sure that under the water, in the juice, you can throw your garlic. And throw your this is what makes it happen right here. This right here is what makes it happen. All right. Without this, you can't make it. Other than that, you gotta slave away for hours and hours and hours to make some birria. A little difficult with one hand, but there we go. Put it all in there. Put it all in there. That's the good stuff right there. And I like to go to the water dispenser and just get all the juice out. All the juice out. A little bit of water. Boss. Bay leaves. believe it or not, that's it. That's it. Now we're just gonna wait approximately 7 hours. I don't know, 8 hours. A long time. This is dinner right here. Making dinner tonight because my woman is working on a weekend. Gotta make sure she comes home to something delicious because she does the same for me when I'm working. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's it. I'll show you guys the end product later. And then we'll make some quesadilla tacos tonight, baby. Yeah.